जैद में ज़ैनब वापस आ गई। तुमने लिंक भेजी थी क्या मेरे को? मैं ज़ैनब की
Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Dear, I was taking the blog in AR6 now. Everyone sit properly and be attentive. Okay, Ali Ahmad, do recitation. All the boys should fold the arm and girls should cover the hat. Ali Ahmad, do recitation. Till then, more students will join the class. To open camera is mandatory. Everyone should open it. Okay. Ali Ahmad, bete, do recitation.
قل أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahu Azim, Subhanallah. Okay. Today we will review the punctuation mark, which we already had done in the fall term. Do you remember it? So write the topic, review of punctuation mark in the copy. And today you will make me understand all the symbols. So are you ready, everyone? Okay. Take out the language copy and make a page in this manner. Language copy, take out and write the topic, review of punctuation mark. Everyone. And today you will make me understand all the punctuation. So please do let me know who will guide me how to use question mark. Ji, raise the hand. Guide me about question mark. Oh, okay, Zanab is guiding us. Everyone should write example in your copy. Ji, Zanab.
Miss, when the question is end, we use question marks.
Very good. So everyone write, please. As I told you, do maintain your copy in this manner. Date and the topic you will write in this manner. Review of punctuation mark. After, below the line, after topic, you will be writing the first punctuation. It is question. And what Zanab explained now, that you will write. In this manner, you will write the symbol. And the example and lecture you will write by yourself. One by one, we will do all. Did you understand? Use thumbs up option to make me understand you understood it. Okay. Now, where do we use full stop? Who will guide me? Okay, Aisha Ilyas. Now, Aisha Ilyas is telling about the full stop. Listen carefully.
Teacher, we use full stop after completing a sentence.
Okay, very nice. Yes, Wafa. Again, repeat it.
We use full stop and when sentence is finished.
The sentence is ended. Very good. Beta, I want other student, please open the camera. Fahad, the password working now? Password not working. So how did you join the class, mera beta?
मिस पासवर्ड कंप्यूटर में नहीं हो रहा था तो फिर मैंने मोबाइल पर लिया.
Okay, this is the solution. Very nice. Always found the alternate and solution for the problems. Very good. Okay. Now, do let me know where do we use comma? Kindly mark by yourself, write lecture by yourself, an example as well, as the other are guiding you. Full stop we did after that. So you will write lecture by yourself and you will define me. Now we are doing comma. After this comma, lecture you will write, example as well you will write. Where do we use comma, as we already had done in fall term as well. Look at the previous work and tally out and write in the copy the complete lecture. Where do we use comma? Who will let me know? Shamir, answer me. Where do we use comma?
It is used to separate sentence, phrases, and
It is used to separate.
phrases, words, and etc.
Okay, very good. Now who will repeat this again? Ahmed Afzal. Where do we use comma? Answer me.
मैं सेंटेंस को सेपरेट करने के लिए.
Speak in English, mera beta. It's an English class going on, not the Urdu one.
मेरे सेंटेंस.
Okay. Ariba, answer me. Where do we use comma?
Is used to separate.
Where do we use comma?
Separate.
To separate what? To separate
Sentence.
sentence and to separate sentence, items and phrases and clauses. How many things comma separate? Sentences, phrases, clauses and items. Okay. Alishba, Uzaifa, Kirat, open camera and do work with me. Open the language copy kindly and kindly do the work. I'm showing it to you. We are doing the review of punctuation mark. You all should do work in this manner. Okay. Where do we use exclamatory marks? Exclamation. Who will let me know? G, answer me. Raise hand, please. Okay, Adyan will tell. G, Adyan, answer me.
Miss, we use the exclamatory mark when we are some type of scared or we shout in that sentence. We like when we are scared, so we shout. So in the last of that sentence, it will come the exclamatory mark.
Bete, it's not about shouting, na. Where do we use a proper usage? Do let me know.
Miss, can I tell you examples?
Okay.
Look, there's a spider. So in that it can come exclamatory mark.
Okay. We use exclamatory mark, exclamation at the end of when we are surprised, when we are sad. It shows the moment of excitement. Am I clear to everyone? Like, hurrah, I won the match. It shows excitement. Okay. Wait, let me. Okay. Who will tell me about apostrophe? Who will tell me about apostrophe? Okay. Kirat, Aisha Ilyas is raising the hand. Ji Aisha, where do we use apostrophe? Answer me.
Teacher, when someone asks something and
Speak loudly, Aisha, bete.
teacher, when someone asks something and we reply to them.
No, apostrophe, bete. When we talk about possession, okay. Okay, let me share a document with you all. Okay, wait. Let me share the screen. Are you all able to look at this screen? These all are the punctuation which we use in our writing. Okay, where do we use ellipsis? Who will tell about ellipsis? When we are not writing the complete quotation, we are shorting the quotation, not the saying. We use ellipsis. Am I clear to everyone? Ellipses are the dot dot. Look at that. Ellipsis. What are the sign of ellipsis? These dot. We often use at the end of saying or quotation. For example, I'm not writing the complete line and I'm just writing dot dot to mention this was the line. So that is ellipsis. Did you understand? Are you doing in the copy? Okay. Let me tell about the ellipsis tree we did not do in the fall term. This one, I want you all to pen down it. Okay, look at this. Ellipsis. And ellipsis 3 dots indicate the part of the text has been intentionally been left out. जो हम complete नहीं लिखते. For example, I'm writing the counting 0, 2, 4. The leftover in I did not write. I write 3 dots and then 100. What is the mean? From 0 till 100. Are you getting it? In this manner, here I did not mention 6, 8, 10, 12. I write ellipsis. Am I clear? So kindly mention we did not do this in the fall term. So write it, please. Have you written? We already have done the question mark in fall term. So you can write by yourself. Full stop as well, you can write by yourself. Comma as well. Ellipsis we did not do. So I'm writing it. Okay. Apostrophe as well we did not do. So let me explain you about the apostrophe. Okay, let me write lecture for you. Okay, I wrote it. Everyone kindly write this lecture. Where do we use apostrophe? Is it visible? For example, we use in contraction apostrophe. Look at that. The substitute for a missing letter. Apostrophe is here. And it's a short form of cannot. Clear? Contraction of cannot is can't. I use apostrophe here. When we use the possessive as well. For example, my belonging, so I will write your span, Jen's room. So it is describing the belonging of someone. Ali's pencil, Zainab's box. समझ रहे? For example, मेरी मलकियत है ये. I'm the owner. So is showing possessive case, belongings. This is the lecture of apostrophe and this is the example as well. You can write in the copy. I hope it is visible to everyone. Visible, bete? Kindly write in the language copy. Today we did question mark, full stop, comma, ellipsis and apostrophe. Kindly write in the copy. Did you understand? Ji, Shamir, you wish to add something? Mohtashim, you wish to ask, bete?
Can you please show again ellipsis?
Yes, bete, I'll be showing it. Ji, Mohtashim, bete?
Yes, I have same question.
Very good. Ji, Zainab, do you wish to ask? Kirat, do you wish to ask? Where are you sitting, Kirat? You are not visible. And you are not doing the classwork as well. Aman, Ariba, Adyan, Papa, you all are not visible in the camera. So I'm cutting marks. Strictly, I'll be cutting marks because the copy is not in your hand and you're not doing the classwork and you are not attentive in the class. Why are you closing the camera? Omar, Alishba, Huzaifa, Ahmad and Samir. Ji Kirat, did you understand the topic? Are you doing in the copy? Are you doing?
Yes.
Did you understand
Yes.
question mark, full stop, comma,
Yes.
copy and ellipsis?
Yes.
Samir, open camera. Ahmad, open camera and show me that you are working right now. Fahad, are you doing it?
Miss,
Ji bete.
I'm doing in rough copy, miss, because I will share it on.
Okay, no issue, bete. You can do whatever is convenient for you. You can do. Ji Adyan, did you understand? Ji Adyan,
Yes.
unmute yourself.
टीचर एग्जाम्पल भी लिखेंगे.
Yes. Ji Adyan.
Miss, show that working we are doing today.
This we are doing today.
News for starting.
Question mark lecture. You will write by yourself with example. Where do we use question mark? You will write, we use question mark. Complete sentence by yourself. We use full stop. You will complete it. We use comma. You will complete it. This is for you to complete. A review we are doing today. Ellipsis we did not do, so I have done ellipsis for you. Apostrophe we did not do, so do it please. Quickly, bete, we have to move forward quickly. Have you done? Ellipsis and apostrophe. Class is about to end quickly, bete. We have to move forward. Did you all understand? In the fall term, we have done the speech mark as well, inverted commas. Do you remember it? Write that as well from the fall term and review it, practice it. Am I clear? Speech mark. After apostrophe, you should review speech mark, which I already guide you. If you did not understand, you can ask right now. Any confusion? This is the sign of speech mark. ये जो inverted commas होते हैं ना, we write something, for example, Ali, and we close it. These are inverted commas or speech mark. Are you getting it? The symbol. We also call it inverted commas or speech mark. So lecture is already mentioned in the language copy. You can complete from there. Or practice as much as you can. All the punctuation mark, which we did today. Ji Samir, speak up.
apostrophe का साइन क्या है?
Okay, look at that. This is the sign. Look at that, bete. Samir,
Okay, miss.
this is the sign. Understood?
Yes.
Did you all write it? I'll be sharing the picture in WhatsApp as well to make you complete all this. Don't worry about it. If you wish to pen them right now, because class time ended, you have to take your second class. So I'm ending the class. I'll be sharing the picture in WhatsApp group, and I'm giving the today's assignment to you. Today is assignment day of English. So your assignment is learn the annotation. Monday I'll be taking your test. I'll be uploading the test in portal as well, in WhatsApp group as well. I'll let you know. Am I clear? Annotation,
Teacher,
vocabulary,
annotation क्या?
annotation of the echoing green which we did yesterday.
Okay.
So I'll be taking test on Monday. Am I clear? Monday we are having test. Annotation test. And Monday you have to submit your complete set in school for checking. Clear? Complete all the work, and Monday you should submit the copy for checking of all subject. Ji Zainab bete.
Miss, at which time we have to submit our copies?
Bete Monday.
No, miss, time.
Bete you can come after 9 till 1 you can come. Ji Fahad.
मिस पूजा ये बोलना है कि ना वो मिस आपने तो कह दिया मंडे को ये कौन सा है वैसे
I did not get you, bete. What did you say?
आइडिया सा है
Again, bete,
Miss?
what did you say?
मिस जो मंडे को टेस्ट उसका
को
सेंट्रल आइडिया टेस्ट है
Ji bete, I will. No, it's not the central idea. Annotation, the vocabulary, meaning, explanation जो करवाई है ना मैंने आपको vocabulary की, that I will be taking it. So learn spelling and meaning. The concept. Ji bete, Mohtashim. Mohtashim, unmute yourself, bete.
मिस ये जो आपने स्टैंजा वाइज आपने जो करा है
Ji.
फिर ये भी कॉपी पे होगा
Ji bete, you should do in copy, and I'll be taking test on Monday of this. Do in language copy, I will take test on Monday. Annotation test. Is this clear? Homework is clear to all of you? No. Where were you and where did you go without permission?
Miss, I went to tell my mother about that submission time.
Okay. So do remember Monday, 7th December in school between after 9 till 1 you can submit complete set, all subject copies for checking. Teacher will check it. Take good care of yourself, take the next class and
Miss-
don't miss the next class. Okay?
Miss,
Ji.
what's the time to take the copies back?
Bete, we will message you about it.
अल्लाह हाफिज मिस
Okay. I'm announcing the today's absent student's name. Ahmed Ariba are present, Ali Ahmed present, Aurelia is absent today, Fahad present, Fatma Mateen absent, Ahmad present, Shamir present, Sara absent, Uzaifa present, Umar Mahmood present, Wafa and Zainab present. Sara, Aurelia, Fatma Mateen absent. Okay. Ayan
Nahi, ma'am.
absent.
नहीं
Ahmed Afzal took the class but when Alishba present. Anshara, go. Go, I'm taking class. Okay. Anshara absent, Aima absent, Aisha Ilyas present, Hassan Raza absent, Adyan present, Mohtashim present, Kirat present, Samir present. Few students of Air 5 Green. Allah Hafiz everyone. Take good care of yourself.
Okay, teacher. Bye.
Allah Hafiz. Take the next class. Bye.